Hold on, I'm almost there. Yes, it's painful, but it'll be deadly if I don't regain control. My world is spinning, nothing makes sense. Up and down are meaningless now. I don't know where or what I am. I can heal, surrender, fight, or even kill. I'm terrified. My life has just turned upside down, and I don't know how to make it right again. Everything seems to be collapsing around me now. I feel so alone to deal with this. No one, not even my loves, could understand. 27 years ago to this day, that was me. That was my state of mind. Then came hope, spawned from my childhood, passed on to me by my parents and their family before them. Hope was all I had to survive, to get up, to make something of myself. This episode explores the H.O.P.E system that was first introduced in print on July 1st, 2022. This is the first in a series of Why You Matter podcasts focused on how the H.O.P.E system can be used to transform difficult moments into inspiring growth and strength. Come join me as we rediscover hope together.
I'll never be